If you had plans Saturday, they might have been thwarted by the snow. An intense snowstorm that had been brewing over western New York moved east Saturday. The storm arrived in central New York as thousands of people were at the Carrier Dome for the Syracuse basketball game, and as even more people went out for Valentine's Day. Roads coated in mushy snow combined with strong winds and near-zero visibility to make travel difficult. Many cars went off the road Saturday. Foul weather is expected to continue through the weekend. Temperatures fell rapidly behind the snowstorm, and more snow is expected across central New York on Sunday. Wind gusts reaching 45 miles per hour and wind chills hitting 30 below are also possible. Temperatures Sunday will dip to 10 below zero and might not get above zero all day. Monday will be yet another cold day, but without all the snow. The good news, however, comes on Tuesday. That's when our temperature will hit 20 degrees. For syracuse.com, I'm Ken Sturtz.